Hey everybody, what's up? So this is a unboxing slash update video. While I unbox what I'm going to be reviewing next, I won't be going into too much detail about the product, but I'll show you what you get in the box and just what it looks like. And also, if anybody knows any good video editing software or a good camera, let me know. That way I can get you guys better content instead of filming it on my phone. Um, which does work, but I want to step it up a little bit. So these are the wireless earbuds that I got. They're JBL by Herman. They're called the Tune 120 TWS, and this is the box you get when you purchase it. I got it at Best Buy for $59, I believe. Says it was on sale, so I purchased it. It looks like it'll get you 16 hours of battery life. I'm sure, let me see if it says on back. Yep. So 4 hours for the earbuds and 12 hours for the case, altogether 16 hours. And 15 minutes of charge will get you an hour of play for each earbud. So now we're just gonna go ahead and open the box. If you need to look at the review for these ones will get you 24 hours. They last a little bit longer. Um, Maybe I'll do a comparison between them, but let me go ahead and open these. So this is the box. It's way bigger than the JLab box, I guess. All right, so we're gonna open the seal. All right, so seal is off. I'm gonna open the box. So this is the box, and I'm gonna. All right, so there's nothing really in there. I guess everything just comes out in this. So as you can see, this is the charge case. It's a lot smaller than the ones for, it actually feels a little bit more flimsier than the JBL ones, honestly. But I go into detail about that later. But these are the pods right there. They just come out of the case, and this is the charge cable. So unlike the JBLs, which have them built into the case on the bottom, where basically you won't lose it no matter what. It's just always there, and it's packaged really well. These ones are just placed on the side, so you always got to remember to carry these around you, especially if you haven't fully charged your case. So I guess this is where you'd plug it in to charge it. Let's take a look. Yeah, there you go. The build quality is actually not that great. I'm gonna play with it a little bit and say exactly how I feel about them. But for right now, that's an unboxing of these earbuds that I'm gonna be reviewing really soon. If you have any questions, let me know. Oh, how do you even put them in here? Oh wait, that's my fault. Let's see. Huh. All right. There you go. They're in there. They're charging. Sorry about that. That was really weird. And just to let you know, this actually doesn't stay up for that long. If you tilt it even like a little bit, you just close it. The JBL ones, you can open it, do whatever you want. Even have it upside down and won't close. Feels like it's built better. unlike these ones. I'll go more into detail about them later. Hopefully the earbuds are built well or they have good sound quality, because as of right now I'm actually not really that impressed. And something also that's different from the JBLs, these actually have buttons built in here. So if I didn't mention it before, the JBL ones, these are actually touch sensitive. So when you tap them, they'll um, change volume, pick up calls, things like that. But this is an actual physical button right there. You can see my finger going in. But I'll go more into detail about that later. That's it. Talk to you later.